Hello, Kerry from Proquip Abco here. Just want to take a couple of minutes to run through the Streamline Dragonfly kit. This is a very unique product. There's nothing really else like it on the market, and I'm about to show you why. So the product comes with a number of different length pole. Each pole has a number of sections, and you can extend it out for as high as you want to go. And this is just an excellent tool for cleaning your internal glass. The key benefit of this product is that gone are the days of having to get a cherry picker or scaffolding or a scissor lift, which obviously comes with its own challenges. You can do this safely from the ground, and it's also very safe for the operator because it's so light. The system works by having a scrubbing or cleaning pad. There's 3 different options that it comes with. It has a small little hose up here that just sends a spray mist out onto the window when you want it to. And then it comes with this backpack. The backpack is battery powered. It has a little pump in there, and you can put this on your back, and it supplies water via this hose right up the pole to the windows. To turn on the water, you have a little lanyard. This goes around your neck, and you can just press it on and off by demand because you won't want to have it spraying water all the time. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video on the Streamline Dragonfly. I'm sure you'll be impressed as I was when I first saw it. If you would like to book a demo, please give us a call, 0800 277 678, or place a website inquiry. Thank you very much.